Many guests and friends have asked me when we are going to do a second cooking demonstration video. I'm married to a Russian woman named Irina, so we thought for something different we would do beef stroganoff, which I love, especially paired with risotto. This can go with any Castello di Amorosa dry red wine.
So beef stroganoff's history blends fact and legend. It says to have been created by French chef Charles Bruyère, who was working for the Count Pavel Alexandrovich Stroganoff in the 19th century Russia. So the dish featuring tender beef in a creamy sauce designed for Count Stroganoff, who had difficulties eating tougher food due to poor teeth condition.
In other words, he had rotten teeth.
And they brought this dish to China, to France, and later to America. It was popular in 50s and 60s. Today, beef stroganoff has evolved worldwide. So here are the ingredients. It's a butter, olive oil, beef, onion, sour cream, dill. For the risotto, it's a beautiful Italian riso, and garlic, salt and pepper, beef bouillon for the cooking, risotto and the beef, and the beautiful Pinot Noir and Terre de Promisio. Let's start. Beef, I cut it in little stripes. Meanwhile, I will start preparing risotto. Again, butter, olive oil, some bouillon, and stir it slowly. Meanwhile, cook onions separately. So I think it's better. After I cook the beef, I will add some wine, because wine brings a lot of flavor to the meat, so it's very important. Okay, so it's time to open some wine. How much wine? It's up to you. I just pour it like this. I never measure anything, so. And I just. We'll garnish our meat with some salt.
Irina always tells me, get out of the kitchen, I'll wreck what she's cooking. So I sat over there to get out of her way.
Today it will be an exception. So, oh, you brought the wine for me, so, okay, thank you. Oh, cheers, en santé. I love this wine. I'm adding onion. When you make risotto, in the end, add some garlic and a lot of butter. So garlic is first. Please add the butter to...
Oh, I don't know how much.
How much? Okay, I'll teach you. This much. A lot. Did you wash your hands?
Yeah, a month ago.
Okay. Will be enough. I like dill. It's a very flavorful fresh dill. Food is ready, and we're moving to the dining room.
And I usually wear a raincoat so that I don't dirty my clothes. Irina never wears a raincoat and never dirties her clothes.
So, buon appetito, my dear. It's okay?
It's really great. I love this dish, especially when it's paired with risotto. We're having old vine Zinfandel and the wine goes really well with the food. Thank you for coming into our home. My wife prepared a great dish. I'm really happy with this, and I'll have the leftovers for lunch tomorrow.
I hope you try this, prepare this dish, and you will like it. So, cheers.